Welcome to the world of tidying up. Today, we'll be diving into the life-changing magic of decluttering and organizing your home. Marie Kondo's revolutionary KonMari method has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. Tidying up not only helps you create a more peaceful and joyful home, but it can also have a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. As we explore the principles of the KonMari method, we'll discover how tidying up can help us let go of the past, focus on the present, and create a brighter future. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner just starting out, get ready to experience the transformative power of tidying up. The KonMari method is a revolutionary approach to tidying up that has taken the world by storm. Developed by Japanese organizing consultant Marie Kondo, this method is based on the principle of keeping only items that spark joy in your life. The process involves sorting through all of your belongings by category, rather than by room, and discarding anything that no longer brings you happiness. One of the key benefits of the KonMari method is that it helps you create a more intentional and mindful living space. By surrounding yourself only with items that bring you joy, you can reduce stress and increase your overall sense of well-being. Additionally, the method can help you develop a deeper appreciation for the things you own, leading to a greater sense of gratitude and contentment. Sorting is the first step in the KonMari method of tidying up, and it's essential for creating a clutter-free home. When you sort, you go through your belongings one by one and decide which items to keep and which ones to discard. This process can be challenging, but it's also incredibly liberating. By letting go of items that no longer bring joy, you create space for the things that truly matter. To sort effectively, it's important to focus on categories rather than rooms. For example, instead of tackling your entire closet at once, start with just your shoes. Gather all of your shoes from around the house and place them in one spot. Then, go through each pair and ask yourself if it sparks joy. If it does, keep it. If not, thank it for its service and let it go. Repeat this process with each category until you've gone through everything in your home. Remember, sorting is not about getting rid of everything you own. It's about keeping only the things that bring you joy and letting go of the rest. By doing so, you'll create a home that is filled with things you love and that truly reflect who you are. Discarding clutter can be a daunting task, but it's an essential step in the KonMari method of tidying up. One of the biggest challenges is letting go of items that no longer bring joy. It's easy to get caught up in sentimental attachment or fear of letting go, but remember that by discarding these items, you're making space for new and better things to come into your life. To overcome the challenge of discarding, try to focus on the positive aspects of letting go. Think about how much lighter and freer you'll feel without the burden of excess possessions. You can also try thanking the items for their service before letting them go, which can help you feel more grateful for the memories they represent while still allowing you to release them. Organizing your home can do wonders for your mental and emotional well-being. When everything has a place and is in its place, you'll feel less stressed and more at ease in your living space. Start by decluttering and getting rid of items that no longer bring you joy. Then, organize your remaining belongings in a way that makes sense to you. For example, group similar items together and store them in labeled containers or drawers. Use furniture and decor that not only looks good but also serves a functional purpose, such as a storage ottoman or a bookshelf with built-in cubbies. In conclusion, tidying up can have truly life-changing benefits. By following the KonMari method and taking the time to sort, discard, and organize our belongings, we can create a more joyful and peaceful home. Not only does tidying up help us appreciate and take better care of the things we own, but it also allows us to let go of the clutter that may be weighing us down. By surrounding ourselves with items that bring us joy, we can cultivate a sense of gratitude and contentment in our lives. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.